Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner. And it's Monday, and Monday means Scaventure. So I went Scaventure. Now, I Scaventured yesterday, so I didn't do too much Scaventure today, but I did go Scaventure yesterday. So I had to be careful on my Scaventure today. Well, I didn't be careful, but, well, you know what I mean. I didn't do a lot. So let's see what we got. So the first thing that I got was these. They're called cutouts, and they are applique cutout size to fit HIH or hip in a hurry dimensional shapes. So, basically they're giant wall stickers. And these look like guitar picks. They're good for teenagers. And this one has monkeys and parrots and toucans. And so it's good for like a little kid. There's 12 pieces in here. So I thought, that's kind of cool. And so I grabbed those, and I'm not going to keep them. I'm going to sell those, okay? So what else did I get? I got a bag. Check it out. Now, I saw these, and that's what I wanted, was these here. And then I saw the big flower, and I don't know what else is in here, so we're going to take a look, okay? Okay. So the first thing that's in the bag is, of course, the K & Company. These are brads, and they're fabric butterflies, so those are cool. And then there's a couple of these big flowers, and they're hairpins or button pins or whatever, but I can take that off if I want to. And, put them flat on something. That always works. Oh, look, there's 4 little ones on the back of there. So that's kind of cool. And then there's these, which are parachute buckles for paracords. So I got that. There's a pack of these in here. Hold on, they're falling out. These are Recollections Die Cut Pack Boutique Floor. And they're like clear butterflies. That's kind of cool. And then there's this, which is some doll hair. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that. And then spritz, pillow boxes. This is a 6 count. Looks like it's been opened. There's probably like 2 or 3 in here. It's been stapled. Yeah, there's 2. See, just 2. But that's okay, because they're a nice size pillow box, and I can use those for mailing stuff. So I got all that. What else did I get? Oh, that one's all bags. Okay, let's look at the next one. So the next one I got, I went to the store so I could get some more mailers because I needed some bubble mailers, and I went by the place where I get all my surplus stuff. The big, I showed you guys, and I needed some more of these because that's what I put my homemade modeling paste in, my homemade, I need to make some more because I'm running out. But that's where I put my homemade modeling paste, so, I had to have that. And then, where'd my bag go? There's the bag. Okay. And then, I bought these. This was the newest thing they had. And I will show them to you. Let me get them out of here. They're in this, like, weird package, so let me get them out. So they're little appliques, and I got them in a couple of different colors. They're real nice. And you could cut them in half, like you could cut them like right there and just do like small appliques or cut that off or whatever you want to do. But this is the way the appliques come, and you can see they're cut up here. But that's kind of the way they come, is like this in a bulk lot. And so I got a whole bunch of these, so I'm going to be putting these in. And this Friday, the 18th, I may do a pop-up sale because I got some stuff that I want to get rid of real quick. So I may do a pop-up sale on the 18th at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, give or take. So look for an announcement that'll confirm the time, but I'm going to do a pop-up and do a quick sale. And I got them in this color, and I got them in like, they packaged them all in one package. It's kind of a pain in the behind, but they are all a little different, so I want to show them to you. And they did it in, I got a light pink, and this one's like a little daisy kind of thing, and then like a leaf. So I thought those were kind of neat too. So I grabbed those. And they had them in this one. Which is the same as the beige, but it's red, which is really pretty. And then, what other color do we have here? Oh, yeah, this one. So they had it in the white. I like the white. And there was one other color. Where is it? And it was this like lilac purple. And this one is the leaf one. So there's two of them here that are like the leaf ones that have like the leaves. And then there were three of them that had the like the double flower. So I grabbed all of those. I'm going to put those in a sale, obviously. And then I got some lace and some trim. I got some really spectacular lace, but I'm not going to show you right now because it's not ready to go. It's still all on the roll and it needs to be undone and I need to be able to get a piece of it. But right now they like wrap it in plastic where I buy it. So, so I got that. I got some lace for you. It's really nice too. It's real wide lace. It's like cover a book wide. Okay. So, I got that coming out. And so like I said, I'm probably going to do a pop-up sale on Friday. Yeah, Friday to do that. And I have all different kinds of new lace coming out. I've got those buttons that I scaventured yesterday. Probably going to get rid of some of those. I got these, wooden spools that I'm trying to figure out what to do with because, I don't want to just sell the wooden spools because they're empty. So I want to do something with them. So I'm probably going to do a project with some wooden spools. And I'm probably going to be selling, possibly selling some rubber stamps. So that's it. That was my scaventure. Other than that, I got some potato salad and my weekly sandwich. That's it, guys. Well, that's Mike's sandwich too, but you get the idea. Anyway, so that's it. It's all I got today. And I'll see you guys next time. Till then, do me a favor. Hit the red button for me. Like me. Ring my bell. And share me with all your friends. Because I got stuff. I got pretty stuff. I got appliques and envelopes and doll hair. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But we'll figure something out. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.